15 seconds. And here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon-9 rocket. Falcon-9 has cleared the towers.
There you have it, folks. This cool November night. It's about 70 degrees. Launches StarLink satellites. And about 2 hours later, United Launch Alliance is going to have a launch too on this beautiful moonlit night. There she is, folks. Lighting up the sky. Beautiful clear night. Just absolutely stunning. Carrying 28 StarLink satellites for internet service. Oh no, she's going to hit the moon. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. She's heading downrange toward Andros Island, Bahamas. Main engine cut off, except booster separation. First stage will go down about 400 miles, land in the Atlantic. First stage will land on a booster ship, and the two front fairing halves will be captured and returned to Hangar X at Kennedy Space Center. That's about all she wrote for me tonight, folks. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful night, beautiful launch. And 2 hours from now, I think we're going to have another launch. What a beautiful night. Oh. What a beautiful night. Nice and clear, cool weather. Couldn't ask for much more. And you can still get a glimpse of the rocket. This could be the last glimpse right here, about as far as I can zoom in. Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell in Cocoa, Florida. God bless you all, and God bless America.